and welcome back to Miss J All Day. I am Miss J and I'm so happy that you all could join me again for another fun video. Well, today, as you can see, we are not reading, and if you could tell by our music, that is from Toy Story. We are making a Toy Story craft of Forky. Let me show you. Here is Forky. I made him with some fun arms and the hands. We have his body with his mouth, his lopsided different size eyes, and his fun eyebrow. And of course we have his body, clay at the bottom, and his popsicle feet. I am so excited for you to make this with me. Let me show you the supplies. First thing that you will need is some air dry clay. I got the white kind to really show Forky and his body. And I have a big tub here, but you do not have to get a big tub. Just a small amount for you will do. Next we have Forky's body, which is a spork. A spork has a spoon part and the fork tips to make our Forky. And then I have Popsicle Sticks. The Popsicle Sticks that I have are two small ones. I was able to get a bag of mini ones, but if you would like to get a bag of the big Popsicle Sticks and cut them in half, that is definitely good too. Those will work just as well. Next, I have Wikki Stix. I have these cut, but I want to show you the bag that I got them from, where it says Wikki Stix. Next are the eyeballs, which are my favorite part of Forky. I have 3 different sizes here. And I have a very tiny size, a medium size, and then the large sizes. And these eyes, make sure you pick 2 different sizes to really make your Forky's eyes pronounced. Finally, I have Chenille Stems, or pipe cleaners, however you want to call them, for Forky's arms. I love that I got the sparkly kind, just to give a little bit of fun on Forky's arms. I'm going to start by getting Forky's body, and for his body I will have the front side down and the top side up that you can see here. This matter. I'm going to start with Forky's eyes. I'm going to get a nice tiny eye to put on his left side here. Make sure that sticks nice and well, as you can see. And then I'm going to get a medium sized eye. To see here. Next, I'm going to get the Wikki Stix. For the Wikki Stix, that is for Forky's mouth and his eyebrows. Let's start with his eyebrow. I'm going to get a green Wikki Stix for his eyebrow. Gotta put it on so you can see that here. I'm going to get the pink for his mouth. Do a little O on his mouth. Let me make that O for you. Here, so you can see the O. I'm going to put it on his mouth here, because Forky has a little O sound when he talks. Next, I'm going to get the clay. I like to roll it in a ball. Here's the size of it. I like to roll it in a ball so it's good for me to stick Forky into. So let me roll that ball for you, and you can see it here. I'm going to stick Forky inside, nice and push him as far down, not past the clay, but just close to the bottom of the clay before it presses on the bottom of my hand, on top of my hand. I'm going to put some of his feet in as the sticks as his feet. Push those all the way in. just about halfway of the popsicle stick. And then finally, I'm going to get some of the pipe cleaner or Chenille Stems, as you would like to call them. I'm going to get the purple one. Purple's my favorite color. I'm going to use that for his arms. I'm just going to twist it around here. When I do it, I'm wrapping it around about once, 2 or 3 times really, so that both sides of the arms are shorter but still the same length, as you can see here. Then I'm going to fold his hands to make it 2 little fingers for him. So I'll show you this first one that I did for his left side here. And I'm going to do the same thing to the right side. And here we go, a nice quick Forky friend that now I have another toy to play with. And that's how you make our friend Forky. Make sure you leave him and let him dry a little bit, because right now he's still soft. But now you have a friend to play with when he is dry. It'll take about an hour or 2 just for him to dry. You can leave him on the plate to dry and then you can play with him. Now you have a friend. I love that. I love my Forky. Thank you so much, friends, for making Forky along with me, and I hope to see you again on our next adventure. I'll see you soon.